What is the ratio in which the point -5, -21/5 divides the line segment joining the points -3, -1 and -8, -9? Let us begin. So what we'll do, we'll begin by considering a point A with the coordinates -3, -1, and then we will consider another point B with the coordinates -8, -9. Fine. So, well, let's do one thing. Let's join the 2 points A and B. Now here we're going to consider a third point. This is an assumption. We'll assume that we have another point C with the coordinate -5, 21/5. And this particular point C is dividing the line AB into ratio k:1. Our goal will be to find out the ratio. We'll begin with the assumption that C is dividing AB internally. So here we have the coordinate of point C, -5, -21/5. Fine. So if we were not provided with the coordinates of point C, then how do we find out the coordinates of point C? All you have to do is take K, multiply it with B, and take 1 and multiply it with A. Meaning, we'll take, to find out the X coordinate, we'll take the X coordinate of B, which is -8, multiply it with K. Add it to then we'll take 1 and multiply it to the X coordinate of A, which is -3. So we have -3 times 1, -3, divided by the sum of the ratios, which is K plus 1. Fine. And for the Y coordinate, we take K and multiply with the Y coordinate of B. That gives us 9K. And then we add it to 1 times the Y coordinate of A. So that's going to be -1. So divided by K plus 1. Fine. So let's equate them. So we're going to get one equation in -8K minus 3 divided by K plus 1. So we're equating the two X coordinates from both sides. So let's solve for the value of K. So here we have -8K minus 3 equals to -5K minus 5. Okay, so we get -8K plus 5K. So this will be equals to 3 minus 5. Then we have -3K, this will be equals to 3 minus 5 will be -2. So this gives us a value K equals to 2/3. Now we're getting a positive value for K. Since it's a positive value, so the ratio K:1 is also going to be 2/3. And this means we are getting an internal division. So our initial assumption was correct. So the point C is dividing AB internally. So we have 2:3. So that means option B is going to be the correct answer.